Carolina adventure will take us to Waterrock Knob, where we will look for the Cessna airplane crash. We've been wanting to do this hike for a while. Austin is on the adventure with me, and it's a gorgeous day outside. I'm going to let y'all take a look. Pretty. So it should be a great day for a hike to see the plane crash at Waterrock Knob. Our adventure begins on the Blue Ridge Parkway. We took the Silva Parkway exit to get on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and we'll go 6 miles to Waterrock Knob. Like I said before, we are looking for the Cessna 414 plane crash, and also just looking to do some great hiking today, enjoy this weather. If you've never been to the Blue Ridge Parkway, it's an adventure in itself.
Snakes water.
Let's hope we don't see any snakes.
I hope so.
No.
Oh, that's pretty tough.
1.2 miles will take you to the summit of Waterrock Knob. The peak of Waterrock Knob is the 16th highest mountain in the eastern United States and the 15th highest in North Carolina. This steep trail gains 412 feet in elevation as you climb to the top. It is rated moderate and dog-friendly, but dogs must be kept on a leash. Many people comment on how difficult it can be to find the plane wreckage from the main trail. If you look here to the left, you can see the distinct trail that leads to the plane crash, right before you start up the stone steps that lead to the summit of Waterrock Knob. This 30-minute trail is moderately difficult and can be very slippery and muddy after rainfall. Once on the trail, if you will follow the yellow and orange blazes, it will lead you to the plane crash site.
Okay, we're on a search for the plane crash. We made it to Waterrock Knob. I about died, I'm not even gonna lie. It's totally straight up and this is totally straight down. Which means on the way back up we gotta go all the way back up this mess. It's okay. It'll be worth it. How cool.
Right, that's what I'm taking a picture of. Good too.
To stay on the trail to the plane, you want to look for these markers on the tree. As long as you see those, you know you're kind of on the right path. Because it is not on the main trail. And I'd say it would be pretty easy to get lost back in here.
Good. Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all have a good day.
Get stickier up there.
You probably shouldn't have brought your white shoes. It's pretty muddy up there.
Yeah, I probably should have told you not to wear those shoes. You will know that you just about reached the plane crash site when you come to a clearing in the trail and you see these beautiful views. They're absolutely amazing. If you look to the left, there should be a distinct trail that takes you to the plane wreckage.
Be careful. You made it all the way here.
This nearly 40-year-old airplane is a Cessna 414, and on November 24th, 1983, a little before 6 p.m. in the evening, it crashed on its way from Chicago to Jackson County Airport in Sylva, North Carolina. Reports say that alcohol and weather was a factor in the crash, and neither the pilot nor its passenger survived. This is a very somber sight to see. It makes you thank God for all your blessings and appreciate life. I know I'm thankful to share this hike today with Austin. It's been on our bucket list for quite some time now, and we really feel like we've accomplished something because this trail has been quite difficult. We couldn't have asked for a better day. It's been absolutely gorgeous. The weather was perfect. So we hope that you've enjoyed this video, and we want to remind you to like and subscribe to our channel for more Western North Carolina adventures. And again, thank you for watching.